Hello students, let us solve another example of parametric functions. Let us differentiate another parametric function. So here I present a problem before you. If x equals to e raised to sec 3 theta, y equals to e raised to tan 3 theta, show that dy upon dx equals to y log x is equals to x log y. So let us solve this. Let us consider what is given to us first. Consider x equals to e raised to sec 3 theta. Consider x equals to e raised to sec 3 theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta, derivative of x is dx upon d theta is equals to, let us differentiate this with respect to theta. Derivative of x is dx upon d theta and derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So using same formula, derivative of e raised to sec 3 theta is same as e raised to sec 3 theta into, since this is a composite function, we need to find derivative of this function. So derivative of e raised to sec 3 theta is e raised to sec 3 theta into derivative of this sec 3 theta, which is derivative of sec 3 theta is nothing but sec 3 theta into tan 3 theta into derivative of this 3 theta, that is 3. Okay, so let us consider y is equals to next function, that is e raised to tan 3 theta. E raised to y is equal to e raised to tan 3 theta. So let us differentiate with respect to theta. We get dy upon d theta as derivative of y with respect to theta is dy upon d theta, and derivative of e raised to tan 3 theta is same as e raised to tan 3 theta. Again this is a composite function, so derivative of tan 3 theta is nothing but sec square 3 theta into derivative of 3 theta, that is 3. And as you know how to find dy by dx from these two functions, so let us find what is dy by dx is nothing but dy upon d theta whole divided by dx upon d theta. Now let us substitute what is dy by d theta is nothing but e raised to tan 3 theta into sec square 3 theta into 3 whole divided by dx by d theta, that is nothing but e raised to sec 3 theta into sec 3 theta into tan 3 theta into 3. Now this 3 and this 3 will get cancelled. 1 sec square 3 theta from the denominator will get cancelled, and we will be left with e raised to tan 3 theta into sec 3 theta divided by e raised to sec 3 theta into tan 3 theta, and we are asked to show y log x is equals to x log y. So we need to, since in the solution there is a log x, so let us make use of log for this function. So let us apply log on both the sides for x equals to e raised to sec 3 theta. So we get, applying log on both the sides, we get log x equals to log e raised to, so applying log on both the sides for the given function, we get log x is equals to log e raised to sec 3 theta. Now all of you know the formula, log a raised to b is same as b log a. So whatever power it will come down. So we get from here log x is equals to sec 3 theta into log e. So therefore log x is equals to, log e means 1, so log x is nothing but sec 3 theta. Same way, from another function y equals to e raised to tan 3 theta, let us apply log on both the sides. So we get log y equals to log e raised to tan 3 theta. From another given function y equals to e raised to tan 3 theta, let us apply log on both the sides. So we get log y equals to log e raised to tan 3 theta. So again applying log a raised to b formula, b comes down. So we get log y is equals to tan 3 theta into log e. Therefore log y is nothing but, log e means 1. Therefore log y is equals to tan 3 theta. So let us substitute the value of log x as sec 3 theta and the value of log y tan 3 theta. So what we got in the dy by dx, e raised to tan 3 theta. So what is e raised to tan 3 theta? Y is equals to e raised to tan 3 theta. So in place of e raised to tan 3 theta, let us substitute y. So therefore what is dy by dx? So therefore dy by dx is nothing but this e raised to tan 3 theta I am replacing by y, and sec 3 theta is nothing but log x. So I am writing here log x whole divided by e raised to sec 3 theta, that is nothing but your x function, x equals to e raised to sec 3 theta. Therefore x is nothing but e raised to sec 3 theta. So I am writing here x, and tan 3 theta means log y. Tan theta, let us substitute by log y, and this is what is asked to show that dy by dx is y log x upon x log y. So we had given function e raised to sec 3 theta, y equals to e raised to tan 3 theta. Show that dy by dx is y log x upon x log y. Thank you.